Hey guys, welcome back. It's AG and you're watching Math to the Max. Today we will discuss simple interest. Ever need to borrow some money and someone's charged you interest? They probably charging you simple interest. However, the bank may charge you compound interest. Either way, they're charging you for borrowing their money. So what is simple interest? Simple interest is the money paid for borrowing or investing money based on the principal. So the simple interest formula is I equals P times R times T. I is your interest earned or paid depending on if you borrowing money or if you're investing the money. P. P is your principal amount, the amount that you put in, deposit, invest, or borrow. R is your interest rate. Always change it to a decimal. T will be your time in years, not months, not days, but years. And P plus I will be your total paid loan. Our prerequisites: solving for a specific variable, changing your percentages to decimals by moving it two places to the left, or you can just divide it by 100. Either way, you will get the decimal answer. And then change of units. So say if we were measuring in time and we wanted our time to be in years, and the question uses months. Well, in this specific example, you need to say, hey, 4 months is the same as what in time of years, and it would be 1/3. So what's the process of simple interest? We need to identify the variables with the appropriate number. We're going to then plug in the numbers for that variable using that formula, and then you're going to have to solve for the unknown. Hope you got your pen, paper, and pencil. You know what time it is. It's time to go to work. Okay guys, pause the video and see if you can work the examples out, and we'll check it with my answer to see if you got them right. Alright, see if you got your interest to be unknown, your principal to be 2,000, your rate to be 0.025 as a decimal, and your time to be 2 years. Plug it into the formula, and once you got your formula, multiply it out, and you should get your final answer to be $100. Alright, let's check number 2. So our interest was $100, our principal was $450, our R was 0.012, changed to a decimal, and then our time was unknown. So we had to plug that into the formula. And since this is multiplication, in order to solve for the variable t, we need to divide by the t information on both sides, which is the 450 and the 0.012. We put that in our calculator and we get approximately 18.5 years. Alright, number 3, let's label our variables. We should have our P to be 1,000, our I to be interest for 400, our R, interest rate is unknown, and our time is 8 years. When we plug it into the formula, that's what we get. Now we have to solve for the R. We must divide, since it's being multiplied, by the 1,000 and the 8 on both sides, and we get our final answer to be 0.05 as a percent, 5%. Alright, last one, number 4. So let's label our variables. Our principal is unknown. Our R is 0.041. Remember, change to a decimal. Our time is 7 years, and our I is 250. So we plug it in. That's what we get. And we're trying to solve for our principal. Since it's being multiplied, we divide by those numbers, 0.041 and 7 on both sides. We put it in our calculator. We get approximately $871.08. As a recap, make sure you label your variables correctly. It doesn't matter the order you label your variable. Make sure you plug them in the formula correctly and solve for the unknown. Hey guys, I hope this was very helpful. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share the channel. Until next time, always striving for excellence and reaching for success.